Hola chicos. I'm going to go over a few of these just so you can see how this is supposed to be done. This is very formulaic, so once you get the hang of basically 3 of these, you have all the rest of them. Just watch out for the irregulars because those are the ones that are likely to trip you up. All right, so if you have not watched my if clause video, watch that first because this will make more sense if you've seen that. All right. So one of the things I say in my if clause video is that this is a very formulaic, if clauses are very formulaic, and it's very predictable. So for example, if you have an if clause in the present indicative, like if we go, then blah, 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 it's if the if is with the present tense verb, then it's always present or future in the second part, right? So if we go to the movies, we'll buy popcorn. Or if we go to the movies, we're buying popcorn. And that's it, present or future in the second part if you have present in the first part of the if clause. And then if you have imperfect subjunctive in the if clause, so if we went to the movies, we would buy popcorn, then you use conditional in the second part. So you say, if we went to the movies, or if we were to go to the movies, no, sorry, that's the third one. If we went to the movies, we would buy popcorn. And then here, this pluperfect subjunctive, if we had gone to the movies, we would have bought popcorn. And that's it. That's really it. So if you have this, it's always present or future in the second part. If you have this, if we went to the movies, we would buy. You always use this conditional in the second part. And if you said, if we had gone, we would have whatever. And that's it. All right, so here, we're looking at this, and this is the part that's going to tell us what we need to have here. So habrías hecho is the conditional perfect. Would you have done the same? All right, so this is the past one, conditional perfect, and the conditional perfect always goes with this, the pluperfect subjunctive. And remember that a perfect tense always has 2 parts. It has the part with tener, and then it has the part with your participle. So we have tu and tener. Sorry, haber, not tener. Hubieras. There's our past subjunctive, hubieras. And then estar is our verb, and we're going to put that in a participle. So hubieras estado en mi lugar. Habrías hecho lo mismo. So if you had been in my place, would you have done the same? All right. Now let's look at this one. Si nosotros tener dinero, salimos a cenar. So if we, to have money, we are going out to eat, or we will go out to eat. Either one, right? So that's this one, right? Present, future. So we will go out to eat, or we're going out to eat. So that means that the if clause here is going to be just regular present tense. Si nosotros tenemos dinero. All right. And then here's our third example. Los estudiantes harían la tarea si estar muy aburridos. So the students would do, this is a conditional, and you have the conditional here that the if clause is going to be past subjunctive. So los estudiantes harían la tarea si estuvieran muy aburridos. Muy aburridos. All right. So that's it. Those are, and so here, these are all in if clauses, but some of them I flipped. So here's an if clause, and you're choosing which tense this is going to be in. So here you have an if with a present tense verb, which means that this is going to be present or future. Here you have if with a past subjunctive verb, if the use of plastics were reduced, or water, then it's conditional, would be cleaner. All right. But that's it. Watch the video and then get the handout, because the handout's really helpful. It tells you exactly how it works. But that's it. Present indicative always goes with present or future. Imperfect subjunctive, right? That's the tuviera, estuviera, hablara. Always goes with the conditional would. So hablaría, estaría. And then the pluperfect subjunctive is this, hubieras estado. Always goes with the conditional perfect, habrías hecho. No exceptions. So once you got that, you're good. All right. Hopefully that helps with this one. I'm going to go make some more videos to help you out.